Jaja is actually one of the strongest alcohols in Georgia. It always starts from
Ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Perfecto! We are here in the statue of Mother of Georgia. This is the Mother of Georgia. And we are here in the top of the mountain. Kuya, putukan mo ko, kuya.
Hello mga repatids, magandang umaga sa inyo, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So for today's video guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Georgia. Ito yung view ko. Ayan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa bansang Georgia dahil magtutour tayo. So this is the first country na itutour natin kasi maglilibot ako guys ng una syempre Georgia, Armenia, and Kazakhstan. So 10 days ako dito sa ibang bansa. So wala akong kasamang repatids ko kasi alam niyo na, gusto kong mapagsolo. Di ba? Kahit pa paano mapahinga yung utak ko. So ngayon ay magsi-city tour city tour ba? Or basta magtutour ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung saan kasi ang hirap big kasi ng mga lugar nila dito. Pero guys, ngayon guys, June 22, yung klima dito is parang nasa Baguio. Okay? Tapos paggabi, sobrang lamig. So kagabi lang kami dumating dito from Thailand kasi nag-stop over kami doon sa Thailand at nag-stay kami ng 2 days. So guys, nagmamadali na ako kasi 10:30 nandito na yung sasakyan. And dito sa Georgia, hindi Filipino time. On time talaga dapat, okay? So, ito yung isusuot ko. Ayan. So, bahala na guys. Ito na yung shoes ko. So, plinex ko lang sa inyo para pampahaba ng vlog na to, ha? So, ayun. Dahil wala akong kasama, ikaw na lang ang sumama sa akin. Kaya naman tara, let's go. Magagayak na ako. Maligo na ako kasi baho ko na. Go! At ayun na nga mga repatids, tapos na tayong gumayak. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung suot ko. So, wala namang espesyal, walang kawawaw. So, simple lang. Gusto ko lang na simple nakakagalaw ako. Yung parang hindi ka na-fix sa self mo kasi iniisip mo yung outfit mo. So, tara na, let's go kasi it's already 10:15. So, bababa na ako. Dapat on time ka dito kasi dito, on time ang mga tao at may respeto sa oras. Sana all Philippines. So, magpapabango muna ako. Alam mo, kaya naman ng Pilipinas maging on time eh. Kayang-kaya. Bakit pag may mga ganitong mga event, lalo na especially pag may mga birthday, ano? Pag may mga birthday, pag sinabi mong 4, pupunta yan 6. Kaya ikaw na naganda, iniisip mo pang magtira. Diba? So, practicing natin on time. So, tara na, baba na tayo. Let's go. Wait, parang hindi bagay yung salamin. So, ayan. Mas okay to. Mas nakikita ko yung ganda kasi dito para akong bangaw. So, tara na, let's go. So, guys, nasa 3rd floor ako. So, bababa muna tayo. Imimit natin si Ate Mary and si Karen. Let's go. Let's go na. I'm with Ate Karen. Ay, Ate Mary. Hi, Ate Mary. Good morning. Karen, hi.
Hello, kuya. Sawadika.
Yeah. Gago.
Hi.
Gago his name, but not his Gago. So ngayon mga repatids, ang first stop natin is yung Chronicle of Georgia. So I don't have any idea pero sabi nila sobrang ganda daw doon. So best na yun ang una naming pupuntahan. So para kang nasa Baguio, amoy Baguio din dito mga repatids ko. So hindi ka parang maano. Tapos yung mga bahay, parang nasa Baguio ka lang din. Sayang di tayo nakaabot ng snow. Nagagadgad na lang tayo ng yelo mamaya. Nandito na tayo sa Chronicles of Georgia. So, mamaya aalamin natin kung bakit nga ba Chronicles of Georgia to. So, ang maganda dito mga repatids ko, once na nagtutour ka, merong mga nag-e-explain kung saan ito nagmula, ano ito. So, pero guys, it looks like heaven when you're here at Chronicles of Georgia.
How the Christianity started in Georgia.
Yeah. So, this is Karen and Gago, my tour guide. Buti nilang sa MKN Hotel Tours ako nag-book. Kasi kung DIY to, makakuntang ah. Oh my God, it likes heaven.
First line is showing the Christianity from Bible. They get from Bible. They put it here like Jesus, his like key to learn. Then the second one is his kings. Second floor. The third floor is the famous people who made their alphabet, the famous writers. So you can see it's 3 floor.
So guys, mainit siya, pero yung init niya guys, malamig. So katatapos lang natin dito sa Chronicles of Georgia. So ngayon guys, pupunta naman tayo sa mga view. So guys, meron kaming 5 pupuntahan. So this one is the first, the Chronicles of Georgia. So later, I will tell you, ha? Let's go.
Meron ka ditong free drone shots pag dito ka nag-book sa MK Hotel and Tours. That's the nice thing. And he will be the one who will shot the drone, right? Oh. So now check namin kung gaano kaganda yun. Oh my goodness. See? Ayun mga repatids, tapos na tayo sa Chronicles of Georgia. What is our next?
Next point on Juari Monastery.
Sanctuary Monastery.
Juari.
Tuari.
Juari in the Georgian language is cross. Cross, yes, and the monastery cross is for first time in stay in one big cross. It's mountain, stay for mountain.
Tuari.
Juari.
Tuari Monastery.
Juari.
Juari, ayun. Juari Monastery. So we will go there and that's
have a
beautiful.
good-
Is that very beautiful?
Yeah, beautiful and have a beautiful viewpoint. It's connect for 2 reefs in down from, and one Aragui and one Tuari, 2 reefs connect and after go for in city.
Ganyan.
You're going down and now.
Okay. Yung kabayo dito pakalat-kalat parang aso lang oh. See? Parang asong pakalat-kalat lang. There's a river. The river had 2 different colors.
Green and
Green and brown.
green and brown. Then they mix together.
It's
Then they
now
go to
in
the
brown,
city.
it's green one only.
See?
It's old capital in Georgia.
Old capital of Georgia. There. So, medyo nagtagal kami guys. Si nanay nagpapapicture siya. So, pag siya nalaglag dyan, sinasabi ko lang. So guys, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Georgia at ganitong month, June, so para ka lang nasa Baguio. So, konting-konting mga ano lang, konting-konting pangginaw, pero wag super pangginaw. So guys, nandito tayo sa old capital of Armenia. Georgia, sorry. Old capital of Georgia. I'm just checking if you are listening. Just kidding.
Alka, dito muna tayo sa mga... Uy, let's see the souvenirs.
Wine ice cream, only in Georgia.
Wine ice cream. Walang gin? No gin? No gin ice cream here?
No,
Red Horse?
no.
No. Just wine ice cream. Perfect?
Wine.
Once you eat this, you will get tipsy.
Oh, I see. Yes.
Wine. Sarap naman. Oh, tingin.
Ate Mary, kung ano pinatitigin mo na Mary. For the experience.
For the experience.
Buongiorno.
Actually, they're made from fruit juices as well. But the difference between Churchella and Flappy is that Churchella actually was made from nuts and grape juices.
It's like a lungs.
Yeah.
Lang.
This is actually made from same like big type of nuts. Well, this one is made from the small. This is like super tasty if you like sweet but not too much. Also, mangoes are tasty, but mangoes are not Georgian.
Yeah.
Then we have some strawberry and cherry, but I prefer black cherry as well because it's not very sweet.
Thank you so much for your knowledge that you give.
If
Thank
you
you.
want to try anything else like Georgian wine, jaja or something like this.
Try mo siya konti-konti.
You want jaja natin?
Konti-konti.
We have from
Dali.
kiwi, from blackberry.
Kiwi. Oh, kiwi.
We have also.
Sabi niya, pwede ko
we have
i-try.
also mulberry. This is mulberry.
Very better.
Karen, you might be purple?
The green one. I'm drinking.
What is this?
Huwag yan. Huwag yung green, hindi masarap.
Ano?
Let's say this is like a.
Cha-cha in Georgia.
Cha-cha. Cheers.
Mapapachacha ka, chichi.
Try.
Parang alcohol.
Yeah, it's very high percentage of
Parang
alcohol.
ethyl alcohol na itong iniinom ko, madam.
Let's say Jaja is actually one of the strongest alcohols in Georgia. It always starts from 50% and up. And also it's
50%.
even more. This one is
Oh my
60.
Madam, pala ko naman kayo. Okay, lapit ka, madam. Tayo natin.
Chichi trying cha-cha.
One shot.
Nag-red ka.
Now let's make like Armenian drink.
Nag-red ka.
Don't react any face. So yeah. Then make how Georgian drink. I will act like Georgian, then I will drink.
Tang ina.
It's warm. Actually, I call it like a mountain. It's a mostly like mountain drink. Because if you go in the winter to the mountains and you drink one shot of Jaja, it will make you feel really warm.
Kumakain ako.
Another
You
one.
want to try it?
This is cha-cha flavor
Mulberry.
mulberry.
We can try pineapple because pineapples are not Georgia. Oh, we have.
Putang ina. Para ka umiinom ng isang buong gin.
So, from 11 you should pay for 10 and 30 gel just because 10 on the way and then you good out per piece 15 or like 20 gel.
Okay. Katatapos ko lang bumili ng souvenir kasi every time na may pinupuntahan ako, bumibili ako ng isang souvenir. So, nakabili na ako ng isa. Mura lang doon sa binilihan ko. Tapat lang ng castle na to. And marami siyang free at madami siyang alam na Tagalog words. Sana all, mura. Mura lang. Oh, it's like ano? You know, what?
10th century time.
10th century.
Yeah.
This is cherry.
This is a church from the 10th century.
Yellow.
So we are here at Masqueta
Holy Church.
Portrait. So it's like Intramuros in the Philippines. Yeah, because
It's up for injury.
oh, how many years is this place?
1,000.
1,000.
He's starting for 1,019 years and
Oh.
finishing 1,029.
Oh my God, this place has many history.
A few moments later.
Hi mga repatid, so nandito na ako sa hotel, hindi na ako nakapag-update at nakapagpaalam sa inyo. So after namin doon sa sinasabi ko sa inyo na isang monastery, ay kumain agad kami. Tapos ngayon nagpunta na kami sa hotel. It's already, anong oras na ba dito? 6:18 in the morning, in the afternoon. Tapos siguro sa Pilipinas ngayon is alas 10 na. So ayun, nag-enjoy ako. Sobra akong namangha sa ganda ng Georgia. And I hope you guys go here in Georgia and experience the Christianity, the weather, the nice view. So kung gusto niyo ditong mag-book guys is mag-book lang kayo sa MK Hotel and Tours kasi a-assist nila kayo. And bukas guys, meron pa kaming second day na tour. So, matutulog na ako. So, bukas i-update ko naman kayo. Bye-bye!
6.5 hours later.
Repatids ko, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Anong oras mo man ito napapanood, hello sa iyo. So, day 2 ko na dito sa Georgia. And this is also my last day na here in Georgia. So, susulitin ko na talaga. So, 9 a.m. ang aming tour. So, it's already 8:45 na. So, bababa na ako. Naka-ready na din ako ng gamit. So, ayan. Ready na yung gamit ko. And as usual, a Filipino thing, clean as you go. Para naman ibandera natin ang pagiging makata natin na tayo ay pag umaalis ay minimake sure natin na malinis. So hinihingil ako kasi inaayos ko lahat ng gamit ko. So ang hirap talaga pag nagta-travel ka, dapat talaga organized. Kailangan maayos. So this is my outfit. Papakita ko na sa inyo. So ewan ko guys, summer daw dito, mainit. Pero ako guys, lamig na lamig. As lamigan person. Siyempre, 30s na tayo, 30hen. So, ngayon pasensya na sa quality ng video ko kasi I'm using my phone. Kasi yung Osmo ko, ay yung DJI Osmo Pocket ko is medyo full na. Full na siya. 1 minute na lang natitira. Kaya gagamitin ko na itong cellphone na to. So, nasa baba na yung tour guide ko na si Gago. So, may makakasama ako ngayong mga Pilipino. So, I'm so excited kasi kahit papano, there's someone will understand me na sa aming travel. So, balita ko, magaganda yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. Kaya naman tara, sumama ka sa akin dito sa Georgia. Let's go! So guys, aalis na kami. Nandito na yung tour namin. Thank you! Thank you! Can you say hi? Kamukha ng tatay ni Maria na. Gago, let's go! Good morning, Sir Karen! Good morning! We will go na to the tour. Good morning, Ate Mary! Sobrang ganda dito guys. See?
this is one of the biggest church here in Georgia. So I need to speak in English because I should used to it to speak in English because I still have many days to stay here. See? Sobrang ganda. So ngayon, dahil iinom tayo ng holy water drink. Masarap, lasang nawasa. Inay, say hi.
That's the park.
So guys, ice cream muna tayo. So nandito tayo sa park nila. Walang bayad yung park nila dito. Tapos guys, nilibre ako ni Afam ng ice cream. Masarap. Mother.
Georgia.
Oh. There's no squatter area here.
What is that?
Poor area. Like,
Poor?
Yeah.
Poor people.
Poor people area. Because in Manila, there's a poor area and it's called squatter area. So guys, binigyan nila ako ng adobo. Thank you po. Filipina here in Georgia. Thank you for the adobo. Adobo.
Adobo in Georgia.
Adobo in Georgia. They cook adobo here in Georgia. Parang sarap adobo nila. Sarap naman. Nandito ngayon tayo sa kanilang Glass River. Glass River! Sama ko ang mga madam natin. Kaya yan, madam. Huwag mong tingnan. Nakanta na ko. Sasakay naman kami ngayon guys ng cart, ng cable cart. Cable cart. Nilibre ako guys ni madam. Nilibre niya ako guys. Oh, may Pilipina. Pilipina.
Wait, you first.
Bye! Namubog. Sada. Oh. Diyos ko po, pag ako nalaglag dito, paano ang Pilipinas? Pamataas. So, di ka pa sisi. Sa dagatan mo. Ay. Oh, Hinir Georgia. May minat araw na kailan pa magdidilim. Araw ng ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Perfecto! Very nice here in Georgia. We are here in the statue of Mother of Georgia. This is the Mother of Georgia, and we are here in the top of the mountain and see the beautiful places here. What a nice! And we came here riding a cable cart. Tuloy-tuloy ang English, di mo carry. So here, I'm with Inay, the very beautiful, very strong. Yeah. London Bridge is falling down. Guys, napanood nyo na ba yung yung Frozen, di ba? It's like this. Let it go, let it go. It's like the Arendelle, the castle of Elsa. Kinesa, oh. So mga repatids, ang tawag dito ay Sulforbat. So ayun na nga mga repatids, tapos na ang aming Georgia tour at ngayon naman magla-land trip kami papuntang Armenia. So dito kami sasakay, artista sosyal. So ayun, napakasaya ng experience ko dito sa Georgia at ang next vlog ko naman ay trip to Armenia. Kaya hanggang dito na lang mga repatids. Don't forget to subscribe and follow and share. Thank you so much and comment ka na din. Bye bye!